Hi everyone, Carole here. I'm going to do a 8x10 that I've coated with white paint. So I'm going to use a strainer and a little cup. So I'm going to do like a flip cup in the strainer and pull it around on the canvas. And with negative space. So I don't need a lot of paint, just gonna do a bit. So I've got dioxin purple, which is Deco Art. I've got phthalo green, Artist Loft. And I've got magenta, light magenta, Artist Loft. And then whites on the background. I'm gonna put some coconut milk in just one color, I think. I'm going to put it in the purple. So I put 3 drops in there. And it's going to get mixed in with the rest of the paint. Alright, so I got my little cup. I'm just going to put a little bit of white in the bottom. I've spread my white across here. It's not thin, but it's not really thick. It's got a nice layer on here so that the little cup will move. I'm going to give my purple a little stir here. So I mix my paints 50-50. Anyway, I have all that in the description below the video. My colors, my mixture. So I poured in my purple. And now I'm going to put in my magenta. And then I'm going to put in my phthalo green. Maybe a little bit of white on top, and that's probably all I need. All right, never done this before, so I've watched other videos. We'll see how I do here. I'm going to give it a little, not a stir, but just a little X. I'm going to put my strainer on top. And I got my cardboard, so I don't want it to leak out right away. Flip it up. And I gotta slide it on here pretty quick so I don't lose my paint. And I'm just gonna drag it along lightly. I'm not sure if all the paint might be already out of here. Oh no, there's still some coming out. Oh, those colors are awesome. Some of the canvas is showing there, so I gotta get this paint to cover this. Well, this is different. See if I can get the purple to spread down a bit. I just would like to this a little bit thinner. See if I have some more paint, I think. Ooh. Now there's not much paint left in there. Oh, I wish I had a, oh, here's a straw. I'd like to blow some of this. See if I can get that to spread there. I like it. I'm gonna let it come back again. Needed a little more weight here. There we go. I'll try my torch. Well, not a lot of cells popping through, but a few. Wow. I think I'm gonna leave it. I think I'd like it turned this way. Well, it's something to practice on anyway. At least it's an 8 by 10, so I didn't waste a lot of paint. Gotta get the hang of spreading it, I guess. Maybe I needed a little more paint on the bottom, but I think it came out okay. What do you think? I'll touch up my sides. And I'm done. That's it, that's done. That's just my little short video of a strainer pour flip cup. All right. Thanks for coming by. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell for notifications, and share. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.